Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me this week. This week I wanted to kind of share with you how I go about thinking about different looks to put together and the process that it takes to create new looks. So I went online and I found some inspo photos, and they are these guys right here. And I've picked and choose some things that I like about each of them and then created this new look that I'm going to share with you that I made for St. Patrick's Day. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope that this video helps you with how to kind of pick things from different photos to create something that is uniquely yours. Once again, thank you for joining us this week. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out a little bit. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them in the section below. And don't forget that you can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.